Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save projects on your CapCut PC. Alright, let's get it started. So first step, what you have to do is open your CapCut application and make sure your CapCut is on the latest version. So here you can see what you have to do is create a new project first. So once you have done that, you can see this sort of interface. So now let's import our raw video. So I'm just going to import a simple video over here, and as you can see, this is our video. Now let's drag it to the timeline. So once you have dragged to your timeline, what you can do is make some edits over here, and to save the project, what you have to do is just click on export, and over here you have to click on this export button. So once you have done that, your project will be saved on your CapCut PC. Another interesting feature that CapCut PC has is that it auto-saves the project once you make some edits. So over here you can see this is our project file that was automatically saved. So that is basically how you can save projects on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.